So I just went to film and then remembered that we had workmen in. Was not expecting them to drill. I am just coming at you with the wardrobe update. It's by no means all done yet, but there is definitely an improvement and I'll link everything. This is what the wardrobe looks closed. Chris's clothes. But I'm going to be repainting all this again. We managed to get Chris's clothes done as well. But just like the light in here is so bad. Underwear. So that's just wrapping from the hangers, and oh, Chris ruined it with his shirts. It must be his work shirts, dirty washing. Maybe that's what he's doing with them. Anyway, so these are all mine and Chris's clothes. Chris has lots of clothes in the washing though. Sorted through all Chris's clothes as well. That made a massive difference. We put in a shelf at the top here as well, for more storage reasons, because we got rid of the drawers that was here. But let me show you. It's so dark. So this is all my clothes. Dresses here, trousers, bottoms, t-shirts, jumpers. But these hangers, so you can see they've got the holes in them. There we go. So you hang them up like that. Put in your clothes. So there's 10 holes in each one. So this is my tops. And then when you're done, you put it down and save all that space. So let me just quickly go through. So we have dresses. All hanging up, taking up that much space. Voila, it is amazing. And then we've got these trouser hangers. You can fit 5 trousers on each. These are my lesser worn summery ones. These are shorts and skirts. Then here, this is just jumpers. Haven't got many jumpers, but we knew that. But there's probably a couple in a wash. Bodysuits. Obviously they're not bulky at all anyway. And then t-shirts. But it just makes such a difference. Still got all this space. And what we done, Chris's suit was bulky, so we just put a hook at the top and these suits that he doesn't wear are now hanging at the back, not taking up any space. We've got this shelf here where I keep my pyjamas in there. I don't know what Chris keeps in his. And the shelf up there. This wardrobe is going to be done out. We're going to be bringing the shelf more forward and we're going to put 2 hanging rails in because it's deep enough. It is very deep. So we're going to move this back a little bit because as you can see there's space. We're going to move this back and put another rail in. We're just going to put a shelf at the bottom, but I think we're alright. These are just more of them hangers that I'll link below. And then there's other bits that are going there and I'm going to repaint it. This is a bra holder, but my bras are too big to fit in there, so we'll doing the mending. So yeah, but I'll link everything, and I just think that it is so much better. We managed to get all our clothes in this one wardrobe and we still got lots of space. So that is my update.